Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the exact assets you need: models, textures, and isolated audio stems. This ensures fidelity. Once imported into your 3D tool, set stage dimensions to match the original aspect and calibrate camera height so hits line up. Then, place animatronic skeletons with roots at stage center and orient them to face the audience. Doing this now prevents offset issues later. Make sure to keep file versions organized so you can revert if an asset breaks. You should block the main poses against the audio beats immediately, marking vocal and percussion hits with timecode. This gives rhythm to motion. Once blocked, refine curves, use step tangents for mechanical jerks and smooth easing for head tracking, because contrast sells the performance. Layer audio triggers, light cues, and particle effects on discrete tracks so you can mute or tweak one element without breaking others. Also, preview loops at 1 times and 0. 5 times speed to catch timing mismatches before polishing. You finish by baking animations and consolidating textures into a single export with metadata for versioning. This avoids missing files. Then, test on target VR hardware. Check latency, occlusion, and audio lip sync while you sit in the audience seat. These checks reveal runtime issues. If things go wrong, implement fallback LODs, rebind bones that deform incorrectly, and adjust audio delays in milliseconds until sync is tight. Finally, document any remaining quirks so later fixes are fast.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.